Hi you guys, so I just did a pretty big mango haul and I wanted to share with you some of the pants that I bought. I bought 12 pairs of pants and I wanted to show you them because I'm going to be returning a good amount of them, but I wanted to show you them before I bring them back. So starting off with these Friday pants, I got them in a size extra small. Don't mind my pile of things there that I'm going to show you. And these are really pretty, but they're just a bit too like pajama panty for me. You have pockets and they're stretchy. Here's the back. But for like $80, I just cannot justify keeping these, so off they go. So these ones right here are the Lourdes pants, and I knew that I would like these right off the bat. I got these in a size 2 and a size 4, and the size 2 fits great. They're high waist, a really nice back. They fit wonderfully right at the top here. They kind of go to an ankle length. They're more of a straight fit and not too tight around the hips. They're beautiful. They have a nice kind of flat front with pockets and just like 2 buttons here. They're beautiful. So as I said, the size 4 is going to go back because they are too big. And it's just so unpredictable with Mango. I find their sizes run pretty small in general. But yeah, just hard to predict. Another very similar style are these blue ones, and it is the Tempos fit. I'm not even going to put these ones on because they don't fit. So these are in a size 2. The buttons are a bit different, and you can tell they're like a little bit more tapered. But like the Lourdes, actually no, they don't have stretch. These ones are a bit more suede-y. These ones I guess are almost like corduroy-ish. Not really, just like a bit more textured than these. But anyways, they don't fit at all. So definitely size up if you're gonna go for the Tempos pants. So these ones were a really hard decision. They are the Alexa pants. They're a beautiful, really soft, stretchy dress pant. They go up decently high here. I unfortunately just can't justify the price again for like $79. They just don't fit very well. There's definitely some gaping at the back of these, and I just don't need like a semi-high-waisted pant like this. I'm not going to tuck anything into these for sure, and just with the length, they're not that versatile. So the Alexas are going back. I also have these in a size 4. A dress pant that I do absolutely adore from Mango are these office pants. So they are pretty high waist, just over the hips, and they look really nice with a dress shirt tucked in. No belt loops, mind you, but it fits pretty good. I have these in a size 4. They have kind of that slide closure with an extra button, and these are great because they go all the way to the ankle, so I can wear these even in the winter. I like that they're not like skin tight, you know, I do have some space. They're so comfortable, and I love this color. They sell out super fast because they also come with a matching blazer, but I want these in like the pinky kind of burnt orange color they have, so keeping my eyes out for those. And I would definitely recommend sizing up a bit in these unless you want that kind of like super snug fit. These are so comfy. I was so on the fence with these, and I kind of still am. Apparently these are the Alexa pants as well, just in a different print. Honestly, I find they fit pretty different. But anyways, the black ones were the Alexa as well. So these are a very fun, like semi-cropped dress pant. They have a nice pleat down the front, and they fit well. The weird part is that they're much lower in the back than in the front. And the waistband almost goes down much lower at the back. So to be honest, I don't think these are going to be that comfortable for sitting. But they could be a very good standing pant, and I could see them paired with like a little heeled booty or something for more of a fashionable look. I still want to think a bit more about these, try to pair them with some outfits because they are a super like vintage pattern and look. They're kind of comfy and unique, so we'll see. Guys, I really wanted to love these, but there's just something about this like floppy diaper section that I just cannot get over. So these are the high waist Manuel pants. They go straight to the ankle and they look really nice from the side. I don't know, I just don't really love how thin the fabric is, and they kind of are like a bit too revealing, and this like flappy front is not my cup of tea. Nice pockets, and I mean, if you can get over this front diaper bit, totally okay, because they have a great kind of buckle at the front. They look really, really pretty, but yeah, no, not worth it for me, and just weird fit. These are the Audrey pants, and they again, oh, where are the pockets? They again have really nice pockets. Downside, again, this kind of like puffy front part, because they are so high waist, which I just don't think is that flattering on these. They kind of have this weird indentation right below the belt that gives you this, they call it a fupa, not good. Anyways, it just kind of doesn't really give me the most flattering shape or flattering lines, and they are a cotton pants, so they do wrinkle, and they're comfy and probably breathable, but yeah, just not really worth it for me. I have these American Apparel ones similar to this that I just adore because they're polyester and indestructible, so these are going back, but if you're looking for almost like a cargo panty style trouser, maybe the Audrey will work. And these ones I got in size 2. Okay, I can't even believe I'm saying this, but these Giusto pants are literally why I went shopping at Mango to begin with. I think I saw these or a similar one, a similar pair on my friend. Don't mind my shirt, I'm going to ballet class. But yeah, I thought these were really chic until I put them on. They are like a really bad 70s costume. You can like fully see underwear lines. Really bad. By the way, these and the Audrey pants were also more expensive at like $120 or $30. Yeah, not cute. I got these in size 2 and they will be promptly returned. Mind you, they are super long, so any tall, like stick-thin gals or people who need a funky white pant like this, they're all yours because they're definitely not mine. I just got home from ballet, so that would explain the tights. But I wanted to share a few tops that I also bought recently. I'm sweating up a storm in this sweater, but I'm obsessed with this. So this is a cashmere sweater from COS, and it is just beyond. The color is outstanding. You can tell with the blue, it is super vibrant, kind of reddy orange. The texture is incredible, and it is so warm, you guys. This is going to save me in the winter. And check out what else I got. This long Evernew cardigan jacket is everything I've wanted in one of these pieces. It has really beautiful slits at the side. It's a really stunning quality kind of cotton blend. It's very cozy, comfy. I feel like I could belt it really easily. Oh, I should do that this week. It was a bit expensive at like $150 or so, and the COS sweater was $275. Eek. For something like cashmere or a really nice kind of cotton stretch blend like this, I am willing to buy one that's a bit more expensive, and then I'll keep it for years to come. So, love this. My last piece is this incredible kind of sleeveless trench coat from Banana. So it has a great tie around the waist, and I've been wearing it open on top of an outfit kind of as a vest, or I've actually been wearing it as a full-blown dress. It looks really, really gorgeous with all the buttons done up, and then I've even swapped out the belt for like more colorful ones or like a leather belt, but it is so stunning, and it comes in 3 shades, I believe, so I'll leave a link below. This came to about $100. So this was everything, you guys. Clearly I have a color palette that I'm enjoying for fall. I also found some incredible jewelry at Banana Republic. So the bracelet closer to my hand right here with the blue is from Banana, and it is costume jewelry. And then the one on top is real gold and diamonds. So they look really, really nice together, and they go with my mani. Another thing I've been loving is this necklace. It actually came in a set of 2, but I like the white one. And then there's also one with orange beads that I'll probably gift to somebody. These have been looking so chic with my outfits so far. Another great perk to shopping at Mango is that all of their pants, dress pants especially, come with these hangers, and they even have like little rubber cords so that you can secure your dress pants on. So nice. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.